Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super silky Salon Professional Silk Press Flat Iron on thick, natural, type 4 Negro hair, okay? Using all drugstore affordable products. Yes, get into this silk press. And I'm also testing out the new Conair Infinity Pro Rainbow Titanium Flat Iron. Yes, titanium plates, which has less damage, reduces frizz, and it adds shine. And it also has extra long plates. This is basically the Babyliss Pro Flat Iron dupe for $44. And it honestly looks like a Star Wars weapon, but it actually works. I was so shook at this, honestly. So it's pretty thin and lightweight, and like I said, the plates are extra long so you won't miss any pieces. So if you can't afford that one, I have the old one. Look how crusty it looks. It's like 10 years old. This is the first one that they have. It's the Tourmaline ceramic plate flat iron in 1.5 inches, and it's about $20. Now, if you can't afford that one, there's a Remington flat iron that I used in my last year's update, but you can see the difference. It wasn't as silky. So if you want to try those flat irons or look at that tutorial, you can. I'll link them in my description box. So for my blow dryer, this was a $20 one from Family Dollar, and I promise this video is not sponsored by Conair. I just love their products, and they've been working since like the early 2000s for me. So yeah. For products, I used a clarifying shampoo that's supposed to be a shampoo from Suave. It was about $2 from Family Dollar or Walmart. And then I used the Keratin Organics conditioner, which is everything. Like, it provides so much slip and detangle for your natural curls to keep them like soft and manageable. Like, I promise that product is only like $5 or $6, $7 at Walgreens or Walmart, and I'll have all of these items linked in my description box. But this conditioner is a must-have, even for curly hair. Now, you can screenshot this. This is right before I get into the video, but this is the must-haves for a silk press. So I'm starting with this Mizani Silk Infused Conditioner. This is one of the products I forgot to mention, but this is the most expensive. It's about $14, depending on where you get it from, Sally's or Walgreens or Walmart or whatever. But what I do is I wash my hair. It's already washed now, and I've used the conditioner and the shampoo. So now I'm just doing the second part of the conditioner so that I could put it on all of the sections. You have to have a good silkening product that has the word silk in it, or at least keratin, so that it'll just make your hair super straight once you flat iron it, and it'll infuse those silk elements into your hair. So I wanted to make sure that I do sections so that I can really put all of the product, like literally lather it all from roots to end, because I want my roots to be very straight, and of course my ends. My hair has grown a lot in the past 8 months, so I'm going to do a length check next. But this is just what I'm doing to leave the conditioner in for about 10 minutes, because I haven't straightened my hair in a whole 10 months. So yeah, I need all the moisture I can get. So this is just the process of me doing the conditioner. Now, I'm for natural products. I did just recently find out that this product does have a paraben in it, which is why I'm not putting it on my roots like that. But I did put the organics on my roots, and all of the other products that are mentioned in this video are paraben free and cruelty free and toxic chemical free. So, and since that product was $14, I said, well, let me hold on to it and put it on my ends, okay? Yeah. Okay, so I have two new products that I'm also trying. This is the BioSilk on the left, and on the right I have the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. So I'm just going to put this on my hair while it's damp. I've already rinsed out the Mizani conditioner. So I'm just lathering this all over my hair before I blow dry it. And I think one of these serves as a heat protectant as well. But I got these from the travel section at Ulta. I think they were like $5. And as you can see, I'm struggling with this little Conair piece that you add on. So if you know how to do this, yeah, do it correctly. But I'm just going to use the tension method. The key to a good silk press is to have a good blowout, which means from roots to end, your hair needs to be as straight as possible once it's flat ironed. Basically, it needs to be detangled properly. You don't want to have like kinks and like knots in your hair, because your flat iron is going to look crusty. It is. It's going to be all frizzy and everything like that. So that's what I'm doing now. Another tip is when you're trying expensive products, you can always use the travel size portions, which are at Ulta and like Target and Walmart. So I'm just applying more since it was only like $6 or $7 to make sure that my hair is like super silky. So that's just basically what I'm doing there. If you're worried about any products that I'm adding, it's the same products. And this is my blowout. It's not perfect. So I'm about to go ahead and test it live for a few minutes, and then I'm going to fast forward throughout the continuation of this video. So let's try this super duper new flat iron. This is 100% titanium. So we're going to see. I'm going to put it to 27. 27. Get in there in the roots. Girl, all that smoke. What was my hair there? Oh, okay. I didn't know. I was like, girl, I'm gonna cut up. All right, let's see. Ooh, but it feels good. Ooh. Come through. It feels good. All right, so let's see. Ooh. It's a little spicy down there. All right. Honestly, I can't see what I'm doing. So, we're just, oh. Okay. It feels really good. So let's do this next pass. It feels really silky. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Get into it. Yes, for $45. Yes, ma'am. All right, so it's a go for this flat iron, definitely. So I'm just doing small sections. Another key to doing a really good silk press is to use small sections and to make sure you detangle each section of the hair before you flat iron. And what you saw me spraying, I forgot to list it in the video. This is it's the Silk Elements heat protecting spray. I have the olive oil version because it's just everything. Olive oil is essential to our hair, and I'm telling you, it is everything. I use this for my natural hair. Well, this is my natural hair, but I use it for my curly hair as well, and especially on my extensions. It makes my weaves look good. But yeah, so that's the technique. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video until I feel like I need to explain something else later. And yeah, also you'll have to forgive me because I have high porosity hair and it's very dry no matter how much product I put in it a lot of times. So this process honestly took me about 6 hours because I couldn't see what I was doing. So if you see me like struggling with my hair, the struggle is real. So I'm just being realistic with you. More than likely it will take about 2.5, really 3 hours in real life without like having to sit down and film it and make sure you guys get a good angle and things like that. But yeah, I'll shut up now. Okay, bye.
Asleep beneath flowers for a couple of hours. On a beautiful day, daydream. I dream of you amid the flowers for a couple of hours. Such a beautiful daydream. I fell asleep beneath the flowers for a couple of hours. On a beautiful daydream. I dream of you amid the flowers for a couple of hours. Such a beautiful day. I fell asleep beneath the flowers for a couple of hours. On a beautiful daydream.
So after actually finishing the flat ironing part, I just want to show you guys what it looked like before I clip the ends. I'm going to clip the ends off camera because I need at least a whole inch off on both sides since I cut it last year. And the front side is damaged on the right or the left side because of loss of hair on that side. I don't know what was going on with my edges, which I've uploaded a video about that. I think it was wearing the wrong type of hairnet. So I'm just going to wait for that to grow out and then just wear it in a middle part or a side part. But yeah, I'm just doing the little curls so that I can wrap my hair and then it'll come out nice and, you know, feathered. Now the sad part is that before I could really finish showing you guys the results of this actual style, my camera died. Like, it just legitimately died. My battery, both of my batteries are full, so this is all I could show you on this part. Yeah, so I ended up wrapping my hair and then straightening it. Like, I kind of straightened it a little bit because I wanted it to be like just straight. I was just so over my camera dying. So this is the part where I just copied from the salon people. I guess it locks moisture in. So this is what it looked like the next day, which was Sunday. And it was, to me, it was kind of frizzy because I slept in that thing and I was not supposed to sleep in it. You were supposed to take it off in 5 minutes. But it's super silky. I did lay my edges with some edge control. I did not apply more heat because I don't want to be bald headed. And so this is the outcome of that silk press. And to maintain it, I just wrap it at night and that's it. I might install like a clip-in or two just for a little thickness, but I am excited about the hair growth. Check out my previous videos on how I maintain my hair in different hairstyles for straight hairstyles and also curly. I'll link them in the description box, or you can check out the playlist link in my description box. Thanks for watching.